Hi friends, today I will show how to install APK file and where to get your file manager on our TCL, Difalcon, Google TV or Android TV. Okay, Android and Google TV, the application name are same only, the process also will same. Okay, and if your TV is running slow and lagging, in that time also you can use this uh, uh, safety guard and you can optimize your TV. Okay, for that I'll step by step I'll show you. This is your home page. Okay, the TV, once you start it will look like this. After you select this, your all apps will show and you select see all and go to this safety guard application. This is like file manager. Okay, see here there are 4 options. If you want to install any APK file, then you have to select app manager, and in app managers you can find 2 options, uninstallation and installation. If you want to uninstall any particular application, you can select that application and you can click uninstall. Okay, if you want to install any application from APK file or your pen drive, so you can easily install. Okay, if suppose you are not getting some particular application from Play Store, so if any like a CCTV device, CCTV application like that, you can download from your PC and copy to your pen drive and insert that pen drive to TV. And once you insert that pen drive, you will select this installation option, so the pen drive will show here. Once you show that pen drive, you have to select that particular and you have to open that particular file and you can click and install it easily. Okay, next option is device manager. In device manager you can get 2 options, quick speed up and deep clean. And also you can see here it will show your TV built-in memory and available memory. You can see this TV has total 32 GB memory. This TV has a 32 GB built-in memory, and it's, out of 32 GB it has 20 GB is available. Okay, so if you want to speed up your TV, if your TV is running slow or lagging, that time you have to clear the junk files. Okay, just you have to click this quick speed up option. So once you click this quick speed up option, the TV will optimize and it will get faster. And this is deep clean. So if any large file, any unwanted file, you can select that particular application and you can clean it. Okay, this is for agreement, this is for permission shield. Okay, for your launch permission or sensitivity permission, that like application permissions it will ask. Okay, you have to use this to settings. Okay, for APK file you have to use this, for TV cleanup you have to use this. Thank you.